All right, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about acorns. You've probably seen the ads, right? Invest your spare change. Grow your wealth on autopilot. It sounds great, but is it really that simple? Is Acorns actually a good place to park your money? That's the question we're diving into today. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what Acorns is. Essentially, it's an investment app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests that extra 75 cents. Sounds cool, right? But is it smart? Let's break it down. First off, Acorns isn't a bank. It's an investment platform. There's a big difference. Banks protect your money with FDIC insurance. Investment platforms, on the other hand, don't. Your money is invested in stocks, bonds, and other securities, which means it can go up or down. So, is that a bad thing? Not necessarily. Investing is how a lot of people build wealth over the long term. But it's important to understand the risks involved. You could lose money. And while Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios to suit different risk tolerances, it's still important to do your own research and understand what you're investing in. Another thing to consider is fees. Acorns has a few different pricing tiers, and the fees can add up over time. So, while you're investing small amounts, those fees might be eating into your returns. It's important to weigh the benefits of automatic investing against the cost. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Acorns is definitely user-friendly. It's designed to be simple, which is great for beginners. And the idea of investing spare change is appealing. It's a way to start saving without really feeling like you're sacrificing anything. But here's the thing, while it's a good way to start, it might not be the best way to build long-term wealth. Small amounts invested consistently can add up over time, but it's important to consider other investment options as your financial goals grow. So, is Acorns a good bank? No, it's not a bank. Is it a good investment platform for beginners? It can be. But it's important to understand that it's not a magic money-making machine. Investing involves risk, and fees can eat into your returns. The bottom line? Acorns can be a good starting point for your investment journey, but it shouldn't be your only strategy. Diversification is key. Consider other investment options like index funds, ETFs, or even talking to a financial advisor. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to personal finance. What works for one person might not work for another. The most important thing is to educate yourself, set realistic goals, and create a plan that suits your financial situation and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.